So this is a tutorial on how to calculate shipping cost of an item. I'm going to show you how to calculate air goods and sea goods, because yes, there are two different types of shipping. And for air shipping, there are two different types of air shipping. There's the Guangzhou airport and the Hong Kong airport. The Guangzhou airport ships only normal goods like book, water bottles, tumblers, baskets, shoes, bags, clothes. You get the concept now. And Hong Kong airport ships only special goods and normal goods as well. Special goods like goods that contain batteries, goods like drugs, fans, electronics, and things that have lights or that uses lights and stuff like that. So that's what Hong Kong ships. And they also ship normal goods like shoes, but they are a little bit expensive. So if you can ship your normal goods or your shoes with Guangzhou, ship with it. Don't use Hong Kong airport. And also Hong Kong airport takes a little bit of time to get to Nigeria. For example, Guangzhou airport takes about 7 to 10 days, and Hong Kong airport takes about 7 to 15 days. So because they need to check the goods and everything like that. So yeah, and sea goods ship basically everything, but your goods have to be over 10 kg, that's 0.1 CBM. So before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yes, this means a lot to me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so that I can get the monetization program. I've been running this channel for a long time, and now I'm getting serious with it. So please support me in this journey. Let's get right into this video. So let us assume we want to get this shoe from China, and we've already checked the store. We are assuming we've checked the store. This person has been in business for a year, but I'm just going to use this as an example. We checked the store, we have already chatted the supplier, so now we want to buy the shoes. And one piece is 56 yuan. The price is not written in dollar, but don't worry, we'll get it in dollar. So you can see that as I open it here, it is showing in dollar, right? So peradventure we are getting 5 of it. 5. Then you add to carts. I'm not going to go over what I've already taught you before. So you should understand what I'm doing now. You should understand, because we've gone over majority of these things, right? So this is how you can check the price of if you are getting more than one item. So when you click on the item here, my network is bad. So I'm supposed to click on this thing. When you click on an item, it's going to show down here the total of that item. It's going to show So the total is 277.10 yuan, which is $40.19. You can see it there, $40.19, and we are getting 5 of these shoes. So they even gave us a discount of 20 yuan. So that is why the price is this. And you can see that the price is also in dollar. So we are going to say 40.19 times 1,500. 40.19 times 1,500. That's 60,285, right? For 5 of these shoes. I want to snap the picture of the shoe so that you know that it's this shoe that we are talking about. So let me put it in my notes app. So these shoes, 5 of this shoe is how much? 60,285. 60,285 naira. Or you can say 60,300. We are just estimating it in round figure. So, and like I already explained here before, probably one of these shoes is 0.50 kg. That means it's not up to a kg, right? So 5 of the shoes, 5 is, you will now say 0.50 kg times 5 of these shoes. that will give you 2.5, but let's just calculate it. 0.50 times 5. We've gone over this before. Times 5. That's 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg for 5 of these shoes, right? So $1, 1 kg is $8. Dollar rate fluctuates, is not a stagnant rate. The rate that you see this month might not be the rate you see next month, right? So $1 is 8.5 kg, and you want to get 2.5 kg. So you say 2.5 kg times $8. That equals times $8. $20. This is not correct. $20. So you will now say $20 times 1.5. That's 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira. This is the shipping fee estimate, right? Then you will now say you want to add the clearance fee. Clearance fee is 1,000 naira. So 2.5 kg will be 2,500. Okay, 2.5 kg is 2,500. So this is where we will now add everything together. You will now say 30,000 plus 25 plus the price of this shoe plus 25 plus 60,300. 60,000. So that's 92,800. That's the total of this shoe. So let's divide it by 5. That means one shoe is 18,560. It might be less than this. It might be more than this. It might be this same amount. That is why I always... Okay, we can see here that shipping is per CBM that they calculate. CBM means cubic meter. That is basically what CBM means. So, and they calculate, you know how a box looks like? They calculate the size of the box, like the length, breadth, and height of the box. So per CBM is $125 and the clearance fee is 245,000 naira per CBM. So this is how to convert it to naira, because this is in dollar and this is in this thing. So we are going to use an example that this is we are going to use 0.13 CBM. That means it's not up to 1 CBM, right? This is not up to 1 CBM. So then you are going to say $125, this $125 here, times 0.183 CBM. So that will give you $22.875 right? So when we convert it to naira, we are using 1.5 as the conversion rate, right? So you are going to say $22.875 times 1,500 naira. That will give you 34,312.5, right? So this is the shipping without clearance fee. Approximately it is 34,000 naira, right? 34,313 naira approximately. So then we have to calculate clearance, right? We cannot just only calculate shipping fee. We have to calculate clearance. So you use the same method that you use here. You say 245,000 naira. Yes, you see it here. 245,000 naira times 0.183 CBM. Let me put the CBM there. CBM. That will now give you it will now give you 44,835. You see that clearance is even higher than the shipping fee itself. So clearance is 44,800. So you now plus the two together. Freight, sea freight, let me write sea freight plus clearance fee. That's 34,300 plus 44,800. So that will give you 79,000. This is just an estimate, right? 0.183. Sometimes, depending on how big your box is, it might be more than this. I had a customer that she even paid, I think, over 300,000 for shipping because of our cartons were 7 cartons, right? So this is just one carton. Yes, this is just one carton of goods, chairs and tables. That's what this person ordered.